Hello, savvy savers. Today, we're diving into how you can grow your savings effectively, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's make your money work for you. First things first, let's talk about why saving is crucial. It's not just about stashing cash away, it's about securing your financial future and having that essential cushion for unexpected expenses. One of the simplest ways to start is by creating a budget. Identify your needs, wants, and savings goals. Ever heard of the 50-30-20 rule? It's a budgeting method where you spend 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and put 20% into savings. It's a fantastic framework to keep your spending in check while building your savings. Consider setting up automatic savings so you never forget to put a part of your paycheck aside. And yes, building an emergency fund should be your top priority. And for those who are a bit more adventurous, why not diversify with some cryptocurrencies? Bitcoin and Ethereum have had their moments of high returns. Remember, every little bit counts and consistency is key. Start today and watch your savings grow. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more financial tips. Catch you in the next one.